too long. We should see something better.
You also spoke to the elite athletes. We have been seeing some of them getting a little battering over the last couple of months,
Yes.
thanks to the redemption of VC.
Yes.
But many of them have been giving back. How do you?
Yes, many of them give back to institutions not related to track and field or sports, except for doing it privately with their own high schools. But their charity is not usually in sport. But we are still thankful because we are part of Jamaica, and if they are giving back, it is also very honorable. In terms of the anti-doping exercise, as you know, we have had our share of doping. We are now trying to encourage the youngsters into eating healthily. The supplement is not necessarily the way to go unless you need it. Herb McKinley and those persons barely took vitamins, but we ate 3 square meals. And like I said yesterday at an anti-doping seminar, we probably need to go back to that. We never had snacks. We had a full breakfast that was big. We had lunch, which was not a snack. And we had supper. So we had 3 square meals. And the only snacks you had in between was when you went to the fields and you got guavas, sugarcane, mangoes. And we need to return to that, because if you were to research the foods that we are accustomed to eating, the sugarcane, you would be surprised to see the health value. The guavas, the molasses, the athletes used to drink a lot of molasses. We went to the factory and a teaspoon of molasses was where we got our energy. And the coconut water. So research all of those and you will see the value of especially sugarcane. So we need to encourage our student athletes to go back to eating healthily. So nutrition is going to play a greater role in our future successes in Jamaica.
Yes, I think we have touched on nearly all the chapters in the book in terms of what, in a way. Any comments for any other comments? Anything that you...
Well, we hope that we will write another book, but in the meantime, the book is still online, I think, on Amazon.com, and it's still for sale in some of our bookstores, as was mentioned by our chairperson. And so we encourage you to go out and buy Jamaican Gold, Jamaican Sprinters, and it's all about why Jamaicans run so fast. Thank you.